Recently, the Venom Foundation have been making big moves in the crypto industry, and they have already raised over $1 billion in funds, which they are using to work on one of their biggest blockchain projects. And they are building a layer 1 blockchain that is going to serve as the main infrastructure for Web3, blockchain, and other crypto projects. And to be very honest with you, these projects look promising because of their utility and their real life use cases. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to be eligible and how to participate in this Venom blockchain so that you can get their airdrop and get free NFTs, which can potentially make new millionaires. And additionally, you are not going to spend any money during the process of being eligible on this airdrop. And in addition of participating for their airdrops, I will also show you a live and step-by-step guide on how to interact with their ecosystem and how to mint free NFTs, which you can also sell on their marketplace. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video. But before I proceed, please use 2 seconds of your time to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more free informative content like this. And don't forget to turn on notifications so that you always get notified first anytime I drop mind-blowing videos like this. So first of all, what is this Venom Foundation? The Venom Foundation is a blockchain platform that is designed to be scalable, secure, and decentralized. The project is built on the layer 1 blockchain that can support and process millions of transactions every second. I will also put all the links on the video description below so that you can take your time to check it out. And this project have already built a full ecosystem of application and is going to have their own wallet since they are independent of other blockchain. They also have their own blockchain explorer where you can view transaction and also have the staking protocol and liquidity pool, which is also part of this video stacks. And in addition, they also have their cross-chain swapping, and you can swap from one compatible network to Venom network, just like the Arbitrum protocol. And they also have other Web3 apps, which include their own NFT marketplace. And they have already announced their own token, which is the Venom token, and it's already on CoinMarketCap, which you can see right now. And since this is an ecosystem of its own, the Venom token will be the one that will be used to make transaction and fees on the ecosystem. So they'll be giving out early adopters as airdrop, which I will show you how to participate and take your own part of this money. And remember, this is not a sponsorship video. I saw the project promising. That is why I'm just making video around it, so that people that miss Arbitrum and Sui protocol will not miss this project. So moving to how to participate for their airdrop. First, you will need to download their wallet either on mobile phone or Chrome extension, which I always prefer. Although you can follow the same process on your mobile phone, but I prefer the Chrome extension. So you can see that I've already installed the wallet and I've already interacted with the project. So when I click on my Venom wallet, you can see my transaction history, my NFT, and you can see that I've already interacted on this Venom protocol. And setting up your Venom wallet is similar to MetaMask. So you just have to download the MetaMask extension to your device. Then with that, you create an account on Venom, just like MetaMask. Then you save those 12 key phrases which you will use to access your wallet. Then create a password and you are good to go. And for a better understanding, I'm also going to put the links and all the steps involved in this Venom protocol on the video description below so that you go through it and understand better. So the next step is to come to the tax center, which you can also use the link below to come to this page. So you can see that this is a primary tax which you need to perform by logging in with your Venom wallet, which is connecting your Venom wallet. Then you log in with your Twitter account, then follow the Venom Foundation, which is a primary basic task. Then you get free 50 Venom token. Although I've already performed these 3 steps, so all you just need to do is to click on connect wallet, then Venom MetaMask, and connect your wallet, and automatically you can see that your wallet will be connected to the ecosystem. And for me, I've already performed this task. That's why you can see my NFT achievement. So for your own sake, you just have to perform those 3 basic tasks, then you are good to go before you start exploring the ecosystem. After the first 3 steps, you'll be given 50 Venom token, which you will use to perform the remaining tasks, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Although these 3 steps is just the basic step for you to interact with the Venom ecosystem, but for you to get even more reward and better interaction on this ecosystem and mint free NFT just as I did, you need to interact better on this ecosystem by performing some little tasks, which I'm going to show you right now. So first of all, you just have to scroll down to this explore the Venom ecosystem of the page. You understand? So when you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the tasks that you need to perform. The first one says web3.world. So these are just basically all the tasks. So all you just need to do is to click on complete tasks. Then when you click on it, the tax detail will show up. So you just have to go through it. And you can see that the first tax is to follow Web3.world on Twitter. So you just have to click on follow, and automatically it will take you to Twitter for you to follow. So you just got to click on follow, and you have performed that tax already. So all you just need to do is to go back and click check, then wait for it to load. And you can see that tax completed. So the second tax will open, and you can see that it says that swap token on web3.world. So all you just need to do is to click on that little arrow that is pointing up, which is at the top. You understand? So with that, you just have to wait for it to load up, and it will take you to the web3.world where you have to perform the tax of swapping. You understand? And remember that this web3.world is also part of the Venom Foundation. So all you just need to do is to connect your wallet, which is that icon that is seen at the top right. You click on connect wallet. Then after that, you click on Venom Chrome extension, and you can see that your Venom wallet will be ready to be connected. So you just got to click connect, and automatically your wallet will be connected, just as you can see at the top right. You understand? So remember that your task here is to swap any available testnet token to the other. You understand? So you can swap from um, Venom token to USDT. So you just have to enter an amount by which you want to swap. But don't forget that you don't need to finish your Venom token on one transaction, because you still have other transactions to accomplish. So all you just need to do is to put a little fraction of it, then click swap and click continue, then wait for it to load up. So you have to confirm the transaction on your Venom wallet and wait for, and automatically you can see that the transaction have been sent. So you just have to give it some time for it to complete. So you just have to go back to your Venom wallet, then probably refresh the page, and you will see your transaction. So that basically means that you have performed that particular task. So you just have to go back to the tax center and click on this icon that says check, then wait for it to load up, and you'll be able to see that task completed. So all you just need to do is to click on mint so that you can mint your NFT, then confirm the transaction. Remember, you're going to pay some gas fee. That is why I say you don't need to finish your Venom token. So you click on confirm transaction and wait for it to load up, and automatically you can see that you have minted this NFT. And you can also view these transaction details on their Explorer, which is the Venom scan, just like BSC scan. So with that, you'll be able to see the transaction detail, the everything that you need to know about the transaction of this minting. You understand? And with that, you just have to move to the next task. And you can see this other one, it says that Venom Bridge. So all you just need to do is to click on complete task. Then you'll be able to see the tax details and everything. So the task here is to follow Venom Bridge on Twitter. You understand? So as usual, you just have to click follow. Then on Twitter, you just have to click follow again, and you're already following them. So you just have to come back to the tax center and click check, and you can see that it is done. So the next step there is to transfer token from Venom to ENV chain. So that means that when you click on that arrow, it will take you to the tax center, which is a transaction center. So the goal there is to transfer any token from one network, which is one either from BSC to Venom testnet. You understand? So what you just have to do is to connect your Venom wallet by clicking on MetaMask, then connect your Venom wallet. You understand? So the other thing, you connect your EMV wallet, which is like a MetaMask or Coinbase. So you just got to connect your MetaMask wallet. Then just as you can see, I connect my network, and you can see that I connected the wrong network. So I'm going to go to my MetaMask and change the network from Ethereum to BSC. So I just have to do that right now. Then click on Binance matching, then come back. So when I disconnect and connect again, you can see that the transaction, like my network is already stable. Like I can now swap between BSC to Venom or Venom to BSC. So you just have to enter an amount by which you want to transfer. Remember, you're transferring from a Venom testnet to BSC chain. So after that, you click on continue, then wait for it to load up. And you can see that before the transfer can be done, you need to perform these three tasks. So you click on approve transfer on your Venom wallet. So wait for it to load up and click on confirm transaction. And with that, you just have to wait for the number one to be done. Then move on to the number two. So basically, you can see that number one is already done and number two is already processing. So you just have to give it some time. And it will take you to the number three, which says that you need to release the transfer for it to reflect on the BSC network. You understand? So you just have to click on release transfer. Then wait for it to load up and it will pop out your MetaMask. So the goal there is to pay a little fraction for this transaction to be done. And you can see that you are paying not more than $0.16. But you can see that I don't have any BNB on my wallet address. So for your own sake, you can just complete tax if you have $0.16 on your BSC network on your MetaMask. So for me, I'll just got to skip this step, then move on to the next step. But when I come to the tax center and click check, you'll be able to see that the transaction was complete, meaning that at least I made some transaction, I made some activities on the cross-chain, you understand? So that means that that one is done. So I just have to move to the next one. The next one is transfer token from EMV chain to Venom. So that means you're going to transfer a token from the BSC network back to the Venom network, you understand? But this transaction, I'm going to skip it because I don't have any BSC and that first transaction is not complete yet, so that means I can't perform this one. But for your own sake, if you have little BSC for the transaction fee, you just have to click on all the transaction, then you have to mint your NFT and you are good to go. Now don't forget that you need to perform the remaining tax for you to mint your remaining NFT, you understand? And remember, on the mainnet you can sell these NFTs, you understand? So with that, I'm not going to make more detailed video because of the length of this video, but you understand the concept already. You just have to click on the tax, then click on any activity that is being given. After you perform the activity, you go back to the tax center and click on mint NFT, and with that, you are done minting the NFT. So you can see this one, it says that Venom stake. So you have to stake the Venom token on your wallet. Understand? So first thing first, you connect your wallet, then you perform the tax and you are good to go. But at the process of performing the tax, if you could not perform some of the tax, you can just write me on Telegram or on Twitter with the link below. Then just ask me the question and I will help you or make a quick video for you. You understand? But for the sake of this video, I'm going to end it here. So if you know you get any value from this video, you just have to do the needful by liking this video and subscribe to the channel for more free informative content like this. And with that being said, as you already know, I'm DMO. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video.